This is Code.org. Let's see what we're doing here. Use Boolean expressions. Do this. For users that have selected the bike radio button, set the base rate to 2. Interesting. Otherwise, whoop, that means if, I bet, set the base rate to 4. Okay, so let's figure out where we're doing this. Milestone 2, complete the conditional statement to assign the appropriate value to the variable. Bikes have a base rate of 2. So if true, and what do we want? For users selected bike, set the base rate to 2. So if it's, okay, so we need a condition in here. Let's head over to math and blop. Boom. So now we're going to check if something equals something. What? Well, it looks like up here, ride type is the variable that's getting used. So I'm going to copy and paste that here. Now, what I want to know is if the ride type is currently bike. Now, bike is a string. I have to put that in quotes, right? This is a variable. Variables don't go in quotes. Variables store our value. Bike, though, is the actual word that is getting selected, or the actual value itself, and we tell the computer it's a value, not a variable, by quotes. All right. So if it is a bike, the base rate is 2, and if it's a scooter, the base rate is 4. That's all looking good. And so this says, hey computer, if ride type is bike, what happens? This is true. That's a terrible color, but oh well. If this is true, then the base rate is set to be equal to 2. Notice one equal sign, that sets it to 2. And this else will never ever run. An if statement will only have one part of it run. If this is false, this line is skipped, the else happens, and the base rate would be 4. All right, let's see if we got this right. Let's go over here. I'm going to use a watcher again. Oh, first I have to be able to see him. Watcher. And let's do, what was the variable? Ride type. Bloop. And we're going to click bike and hit get ride. Bike. Get ride. So that is working properly. Now, if that's working properly, let's make sure our base rate is updating. Bike. Get ride. Boom. Looking good. Onward.